Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC U0146 refers to a malfunction in the CAN system, specifically involving the TCM, Transmission Control Module, and the CAN, Controller Area Network Gateway. This DTC indicates an issue related to the communication between these critical components, which can affect the overall operation of the vehicle's transmission system. The TCM is responsible for managing various transmission functions, while the CAN gateway serves as a communication hub between different electronic control units within the vehicle. A failure in this network can lead to transmission malfunctions. Troubleshooting this error is essential for ensuring that the vehicle operates efficiently. It is worth noting that this DTC is primarily related to an electrical circuit issue, rather than a mechanical problem within the transmission itself. The error U0146 highlights a malfunction in the CAN communication system, particularly between the TCM and the CAN gateway. The TCM, located on or near the transmission assembly, is crucial for controlling shift timing and optimizing performance. The CAN gateway, typically located within the vehicle's main electrical panel, facilitates communication among various electronic components. Each component has a specific role. The TCM sends and receives transmission data, while the CAN gateway ensures that this data reaches appropriate control units. Recognizing the difference between symptoms arising from electrical circuit issues and those due to mechanical failures is critical for accurate diagnosis. This error emphasizes the importance of electrical integrity in maintaining overall vehicle performance. The common causes of DTC U0146 center around electrical circuit issues. These include poor connections and loose terminals at the CAN gateway or TCM, which can disrupt communication. A damaged wire within the CAN circuit may also contribute to the malfunction. Additionally, a faulty TCM could lead to this error, particularly if it fails to send or receive required data effectively. Understanding the root causes is vital in narrowing down the specific point of failure during troubleshooting. Electrical circuit problems are confirmed to be the primary focus when dealing with this code, as mechanical faults within the transmission are not a consideration. Symptoms associated with DTC U0146 can manifest as noticeable transmission performance issues. These may include erratic shifting, slipping, or failure to engage when required. Drivers might also experience warning lights on the dashboard indicating transmission problems, contributing to a sense of urgency to address the issue. Moreover, operational anomalies such as delayed shifting can lead to a decreased driving experience. Recognizing and correlating these symptoms with the Diagnostic Trouble Code is vital for both the technician and the driver. Awareness of these manifestations allows for informed troubleshooting, ultimately leading to timely repairs and enhanced vehicle performance. The first step in troubleshooting DTC U0146 involves checking for additional DTCs related to the CAN gateway system. Utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, is essential for conducting this check accurately. By confirming whether any DTCs are indicated, technicians can determine if there are broader issues at play. If any DTCs are present, the focus shifts to troubleshooting those specific codes, which may provide further insights into potential electrical or communication problems. However, if no additional DTCs are found, the technician would proceed to the next step in the diagnostic process. Clear data from the HDS aids in systematic troubleshooting, ensuring an efficient repair path. In the second troubleshooting step for DTC U0146, the technician must perform an CAN circuit check using the HDS. Within the system, select the function test option and proceed to test the CAN bus-connected unit. This test assesses whether the system can detect the TCM on bus A. If the TCM is reported as not available, the next troubleshooting step is crucial. In the event that the TCM is detected, it might indicate an intermittent failure where the system appears normal at that instant. Therefore, it's essential to also check all connections and terminals at both the CAN gateway and TCM. Identifying a consistent failure pattern can streamline the diagnostic process considerably. The third troubleshooting step involves checking for open wires in the STEP-CAN circuit. To correctly perform this task, the vehicle should be turned off and placed in the lock mode. Disconnect the necessary connectors, including the CAN Gateway 16P and TCM 50P connectors, to ensure a safe testing environment. Continuity should then be assessed between test points on these disconnected connectors. Specifically, test point 1 from the CAN Gateway must connect to test point 2 from the TCM. If continuity is confirmed, the STEP-CAN AH and AL wires are intact. However, if continuity is absent, this indicates a need for repairs due to an open circuit. Such checks are vital for ensuring that data communication remains uninterrupted between the TCM and the CAN gateway. For final repair verification of DTC U0146, verifying connections at the CAN gateway and TCM is essential. Inspect for any poor or loose connections that may have led to the initial failure. If a known good TCM was substituted and resolved the issue, it should be noted that the original TCM may need replacement. Testing the functionality of the TCM ensures that it can communicate effectively with other control units. It is advisable to conduct road tests to further confirm that all operational aspects are functioning as intended. A comprehensive verification process ensures the longevity and efficiency of the repair, restoring the vehicle to optimal performance. Preventive maintenance plays a crucial role in avoiding issues related to DTC U0446. Regular electrical inspections are critical for identifying potential issues before they lead to failure. Keeping an eye on the integrity of wiring, specifically within the CAN system, can prevent future errors. Additionally, routine checks of connectors should be a standard part of vehicle maintenance. Clean and secure connections enhance the reliability of vehicle communication systems. Having a scheduled service for your vehicle ensures that issues are addressed proactively rather than reactively. Implementing such preventative measures can greatly reduce diagnostic occurrences and enhance transmission performance over time. In conclusion, DTC U0146 emphasizes the critical nature of electrical connections within the vehicle's STEP-CAN system. The primary focus should be on identifying electrical circuit issues that prevent the TCM from communicating effectively. Through systematic troubleshooting steps, including testing DTCs, STEP-CAN circuit integrity, and inspecting connections, technicians can efficiently pinpoint the root cause of the issue. Additionally, maintaining a routine schedule for preventive inspections and checking connectors can help mitigate future occurrences of this DTC. Understanding its implications not only aids in effective repairs, but also enhances overall vehicle performance. Ensuring the proper functioning of the transmission control system is vital for safe and efficient driving. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.